7 years to have this car built. Gaps are better than factory. Chrome is excellent on the car. Underneath, you can lick the floors. Paint is a 10 out of a 10. Over $200,000 to have the car done. The softest leather you can find on the market. Overdrive transmission, all hand stitched, real soft all the way through. Again, total transformation on this Chevelle. You want the best? This is it. Are you picky? Then this is it. I'm one of the most pickiest people should I say, on the planet. This car is a 10. Four-wheel disc, chrome bumpers front and back were cut, shrinked, and shortened for the sleek look on the chrome. Nothing was overlooked. Every nut and bolt was turned. There you go, guys. Not cheap. Check out our website, mgmclassiccars.com. I have over 140 plus cars handpicked and ready to go on our website. Financing and delivery is available. My number is 847-848-1850. Thank you.